That's one of my favorite subjects. Based on insurance premiums, we are the safest people you can see. My malpractice insurance costs $2,000. Disability insurance from being hurt at work by a patient cost me $5,000 a year. Chiropractor is the only doctor where it's reversed. A patient stands a 2 times greater chance of hurting us than we do hurting them as a doctor.
I've hurt my wrists, my knees, my back, tweaked some things here and there.
And in the course of my 37-year career, I've had 2 on-the-job injuries. I've had both of my shoulders reattached, and I've never had a malpractice claim.